Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dear Life. My name is Pankaj Sharma. In this series of videos, I am sharing with you how to become successful in sales. So I already uploaded 3 videos where I shared about the prospecting, where I shared about the importance of communication, where I shared about the few important nitty-gritties, techniques and the tricks which you can learn if you really want to become successful in sales. So in this video, I'll be going to share with you few important concepts which will be very helpful to you. So my request to you, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell button and share these videos with as many people possible. So in this video, let me share with you and let's go ahead. Let me share with you now the important concept. There is an important abbreviation which is called what is in it for me. I repeat again, WIIFME. So what is in it for me is for you, and what is in it for others. So that is another important terminology, WIIO. So when it comes to what is in it for me, that is for you being as a salesman or a salesperson. What is in it for O means others. So whenever you are in the process of prospecting, whenever you are interacting with the customer and you are hurry in terms of thinking about the closing and closing the call, the important thing is we are mistaking one important thing. We are not thinking from the point of view of the customer. So the perspective which makes a difference here in the call and that possibly be helpful to you in terms of closing more call, that is what is in it for others. Others means your customer. So whenever you are there, write down important things, what is there in it for others. So the important thing is, friends, whenever you are going to meet the customer for successful sales call, I would request each one of you to write down on the piece of a paper or in your diary the profile of the customer and then what is in it for others. What are the solutions? What are the offerings which you will be going to offer to the customer based upon his profile? So there are two things. One is which is you are already having available with you, the profile of the customer, and just preempting that and then thinking that, foreseeing the need of the customer and then preparing a solution. Another important thing is what changes whenever you are in the process of interaction and the communication with the customer. So the second important piece is what is in it for others. Changes when your customer shares some more need while you are in the process of the interaction or the prospecting or providing the solution to the customer. So important thing is what is in it for others. So remember these two terminologies. What is in it for me, for you. So remember how this others changes me. So other changes means what? Once you fulfill the need of the customer, understood the need of the customer and providing the solution, that is what is in it for others. So that will help you to fulfill your what is in it for me. So what is in it for you whenever you are in the process of communication and you are doing the prospecting? That's selling and selling. So you are in the need, you are keep on thinking that will it possible for me to sell this brand to the customer, sell this product to the customer, or is he going to really buy at the end of the call? So you are in the discussion, your own internal communication. So in this internal communication, what mistake most of the people does, they forget what is in it for others. So remember, say it to yourself, your internal communication, stop talking to yourself and then thinking about the customer and what is in it for him, what is in it for others, and then provide the solution and the offering which you have to the customer, and that is called what is in it for others. So when you fulfill their need, that will automatically going to help you to fulfill your need. That is what is in it for me. So whenever you are there in the communication, whenever you are there in the interaction with the customer, think about customer first. So putting your customer first, and that's called that the customer will be very satisfied once you provide the solution to the customer. And this customer, the happy customer, will always help you in terms of influencing other people to buy product from you. So that is why whenever you are taking references from this customer, and I remember in insurance, many of the people, sales people, they are providing P20 or P40, they are taking the references from the customer. So this process will be very helpful to you when you create one happy customer. So once you sell your brand, once you have sold your product to the customer, your customer should not feel that I have been cheated with this salesman. Customer should really feel that I am really added value. Something which you have offered to the customer, that is the great resource and the great thing for the customer, and customer really feel win-win. and you also feel that this is a win-win proposition for yourself and for your customer, and that possibly be helpful to you in terms of giving you the 20 references or 10 references. And when you ask about taking the references from the customer, providing the P20 or P40 or P10, that's possibly be helpful to you, that your customer will not only give you the numbers and the details of their friends and their people, and they will also make a phone call to some of their important and the closest friend. So that's possibly helpful to you in terms of closing more calls. Hope this is useful to you. If you found this useful, I would request please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button and share this with as many people possible so that everybody will get benefit out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.